ESA Machines SG40 Grabber Trial Running and Load Testing Highlights. Today we are carrying out the trial running and load testing of the ESA Machines SG40 Grabber, focusing on performance, safety, and operational reliability. During trial running, the SG40 Grabber demonstrates smooth mechanical movement, stable gripping action, and precise control response. All hydraulic systems, motors, and control circuits operate within specified parameters, confirming correct installation and alignment. The grab opening and closing cycles are tested repeatedly to ensure consistent speed, uniform pressure, and no abnormal vibration or noise. The structural frame and grab jaws show excellent rigidity and balance throughout operation. Next, we move to load testing, where the grabber is subjected to rated load conditions. The SG40 handles the full working load safely, maintaining secure material handling without slippage or deformation. Under load, the system maintains hydraulic pressure stability, controlled lifting, and smooth lowering. There is no overheating, no oil leakage, and no performance drop, confirming robust design and high manufacturing quality. All safety features, including verified and working effectively. In conclusion, the ESA Machines SG40 Grabber has successfully passed trial running and load testing. The machine is ready for commissioning, delivering reliable performance, safe operation, and long-term durability in demanding bricks and blocks manufacturing industries.